Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Evangeline Fonda. I'm 39 years old. I'm married. I live at Santiago City, Isabela. I have two children. The age is 9 years old and 15 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I have two brothers and 6 sisters. I'm the fifth of the family.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I have work experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid worker.
What is your duties and responsibilities?
My duties and responsibilities as a housemaid is taking care of the children and to serve the couple. I'm cleaning, I'm marketing, and car washing.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
If the sick is of my children is, I will check the temperature and I will monitor them and I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as a hardworking, patient, honest, and kindness.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I will give to provide my wants of my family.
Okay. If you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
Yes, to take care of my children here in Philippines is my husband and my mother-in-law.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
If I'm homesick, I'm focus my job and I will work also.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep in the evening as a 10 p.m. and I wake up in the morning as a 5 a.m.
Okay. Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be calm and I will be kind to them.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to rent van in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Our message to my future employer is to treat me like a family, and I promise to be a kindness, trust, and patient, and I'm obedient.
Okay.